chowder. Whenever I travel around the country, one of my favorite things to do, along with meeting so many of you, is to check out dishes that are indicative to wherever I am. So to share this passion with you, all this week we're highlighting some of my favorite recipes from across the country. Our first stop is in the Northeast, on the coast of New England, where chowda is a must-have. Let me show you how easy it is to make. We start by sauteing a chopped onion in some salt pork, or you can use some cut-up raw bacon. Once it starts to brown, we add in some clams. If you can get fresh shucked ones, all the better. Otherwise, a couple of cans of chopped clams will do the trick. To that, we also add some clam juice, chicken broth, a potato that we diced up, and a little salt and pepper. After this cooks for a bit, we'll thicken it with some cornstarch and some heavy cream. Once it's creamy, we stir in some chopped parsley and it's ready to dish up. So whether you're slurping the seaside or at the kitchen table, are you ever in for a treat? To get this simple recipe, all you have to do is go online and look for New England Clam Chowder, or chowda, as they say. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a super tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.